Speedome camera hardware installation. Package overview. Remove the Speedome from the package carefully. Remove fixed materials from the Speedome. Find the plastic point. On the opposite side, open the optical cover by nail. Remove the white cushion, tape, and lens cover from the Speedome. Put the optical cover back to the Speedome. Speedome installation. Use of a Category 5 Ethernet cable is recommended for the network connection. Connect a surge protector SP100E to the Category 5E cable. If the Speedome is powered by the adapter, please connect to a switch. If the Speedome is powered by PO, please connect to an 802.3 PO switch. Put the network cable and SP100E into the pendant. When the environment temperature is -7 °C or below, please use the adapter to power on the Speedome. If the Speedome is powered by the adapter, please insert the power cable through the pendant. Insert the two sponge balls into the pendant. Mount the pendant on the wall, and connect the green wire of the network surge protector to the ground. Add the waterproof rubber on the pendant and turn it over. Assemble the mounting kit on the pendant. Turn over the waterproof rubber to cover the join. Hook the Speedome. Connect internet cable and power connector to the Speedome. Assemble the Speedome on the mounting kit. Screw and fix the Speedome. The installation is completed.